Hello again, and thank you for choosing to watch another one of my videos here at Benidorm and beyond. My last update on the square, which I uploaded 3 weeks ago, covered footage of a 3-month period where I've been going down to the strip on a weekly basis to film all the latest progress to show you. Well, since that video, it has all started to take shape, and you can really see the start of the new square beginning to come together. So, instead of a weekly visit by me, it has now become virtually a daily trip down to Calle Mallorca, or Thonagiri as the Spanish call it, to video the workmen's progress. You will see that all the palm trees have now been replanted and have settled in, and therefore no longer need holding up straight with wooden supports. There is also the addition of what I assume are posts to hold the new lighting system, and the new colourful flooring is being completed. So the diggers and JCBs have now all gone to be replaced by rolling and flattening machinery. During the video, you will also notice that the Broadway Cabaret Bar and Nightclub was all covered up, ready for a refurb. Then, towards the end of this video, you can see the transformation. The workers have successfully completed an elegant new outside terrace, which has been painted in the bright Caribbean colours of fuchsia and turquoise, with white bench seating added to set it off. And I have to say, it really does look eye-catching and will certainly make this section of the square a brighter, nicer place to be. As they continue to put in the finishing touches, I hope that it will all be as colourful and smart as promised, including the repaving of the whole strip in asphalt printed in different colours, and also hopefully rebuilding the iconic wraparound seats underneath the palm trees, where you have all no doubt enjoyed a rest from clubbing, or maybe just a bag of chips at the end of the night. Some of you have now commented that you are booked for September and hope that the square will once again be open for business. And with a month still yet to go until then, and the workmen pressing on every day, we can only hope that this will be the case. So come on, let's think positive and look forward to better times ahead. I will now leave you to watch the remainder of the video and makeover while listening to some Latin music. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you would like notifications of future videos, just hit the bell notification button and you will be informed of any new videos as soon as I upload them. I'll see you again sometime soon, maybe even down the square. Cheers! Thanks for watching. Bye for now.